game?
We're finishing the game.
It's horseshit. Look, it's 1:34.
We're doing.
Oh, you know what? We just started off with a fucking bang getaway. Oh, you know what? I like how we're down to half ammo already. You're working full time on this one. Oh, you're out of. Okay. We're on track now. You get the shotgun. You look at him in the face for like 5 seconds. Okay, you go downstairs and you get your machine gun and you go upstairs and you get into the. Okay, sit down. The guy's just like switching. Oh, okay. There we go. We are golden. Okay, you can shoot him in the face if you will. Okay, shit. Get into cover, and you sit right there. You don't.
You can do a little dance.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Oh shit, man. Okay, go get the shotgun. Okay, no, don't you dare. Stay downstairs right now. No, if you go out that door, I'm gonna hate you. No. You are. I'm done.
No, you're not. You're good.
I've never been this, like, angry. I've never been this sad. I'm losing faith in my religion right now. There is no God. I'm done with everything. Okay, you see, here's what you do. Here's what you do. You lure me in, making me think like, oh, he's gonna win. Oh, but you don't, because you don't have any ammo left. So now you just sit here and you shit on yourself. Right? Yeah. Oh, there's pro play skills here. And, oh, no, right up the ass, just like you deserve. Okay. Here we go. No ammo. You get the shotgun.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. We're going as we planned. We're cooking with oil. Here we go.
With oil.
They're coming down. You stay inside. You stay in. You stay. Okay, now you shoot him. Okay, now you get the shotgun. Get the shotgun. Okay, now you listen. Don't go up there because you die. Now wait for him to come down, because like he's going to come down. He's gonna get bored. Look at, he's already bored. Get into cover. Get into cover. Fucking Cole. Get into cover. And just blow his face off right now. Blow. Bam. Oh my God, we just did it. Okay, now go upstairs and you just shoot everybody who comes upstairs and jump into the vent. That's our plan. Shoot him, go, and you jump into the vent. Jump into the vent. Jump. You jump. Okay, you don't jump. Okay, go. No, don't. Fuck. Yeah, okay, do that. And now go to the car. And now you just shove off.
This is the wrong car.
Can't get out.
That's the wrong.
You could have waited. You had all the time in the world. They didn't know where you were. I'm not prepared to watch this again. You just... We had a plan, Cole. We had a plan. This is not part of the plan. Okay. Now here he comes, and you shoot him. And okay, why would you? Okay, get the shotgun, and then you blow, because that makes sense. That's reliable. You see that we don't deviate from the plan. It's not reliable otherwise. Now you shoot him. And then you blow his face off, and you go to the shotgun. You wait for him to come down. You wait for him to come down. You blow his face off. All right. Wait, you forgot. You have.
Oh, crap! You said shotguns now.
You need that. No, you don't need shotguns. You need results. What? Okay.
Oh, I need to write it on it.
He's coming downstairs. Pull out your shotgun.
I need to write it on it.
You're just gonna light him in the face. Blam.
I don't want to. Maybe he's nice.
Shoot him right now. Cole, I will come into your house and tear your ass out of your pancreas. I don't even know if they're connected. Okay, he's sitting right there. Shoot him. I've waited too long for this. This is no longer about you. This is about me. I need this, Cole. Cole, shoot that man. Shoot it. Do it. You son of a bitch. I swear, if he turns around and just shoots you, I'm not gonna wait. Okay, thank you. Now you pick up the gun and you blast everybody's head that's coming through this door because they know they're gonna do it. So you just shoot them, boom, 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 boom. They didn't stand a chance. Okay, now you walk.
We gotta go this way.
Shut that door. Shut the door. No, not that door, not that door. Okay, go. He opens the door, damn it. Okay. They're gonna shoot at you? Now you shoot. Oh, you fucking serious?
You okay there?
I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. You're not gonna get the cover. You're not gonna do it. Oh, now you have 2 shotguns. This is getting great. All right, so you're gonna do what you normally do, which I don't like, but you're gonna jump up there and shoot him, I guess. Blam. Okay. Now he's gonna have to come downstairs. And you're gonna take his gun, okay?
Oh, I should teach him.
No,
we're deviating from the plan. We're deviating.
You don't. Okay, now here they come. They're coming upstairs, and you're just gonna be like, "Hey, yeah, so here you're fine." Okay, don't go shut that door. They're going to open it. Why? What? No. The big guy's gonna come in.
Oh, there's a big guy. Crap.
You dumb shit. No. Get out of the cover. You dumb shit. Oh, you're screwed. There's no way. You have a shotgun. You shoot him.
Okay, we got this. This is the run. This is the run.
You go get the shotgun.
Oh no, he's coming right up. I was just waiting.
You don't deviate. This is supposed to run.
This is the plan. You don't
get
deviate.
the play. Is it Cole? Look at me. Is it? Okay, you pull out. Okay, I like where this is going. There's continuity here. Are you fucking for real?
Are you still there? I can't.
You left the shotgun downstairs. I don't know anymore, man. At first I was crying. Now I'm laughing. Okay. No, you shouldn't. Go upstairs, blow his face off, run downstairs and get the cover like the plan. You can't be trusted. Cause alright, I'm gonna die. Like
you're not leaving till I'm finishing this one level.
It's 143, Cole.
No, we're finishing. This is the run. This is the run.
Cole, it is 143 in the morning.
This is the run.
It's too early to be disappointed right now, Cole.
This is the run.
It is not the. It'll never be the run. It'll never be the run, Cole. This is where it ends. I'm putting a stop to this madness now.
Should I tell you? Wait, before you go, should I tell you that I've been recording?
What?
I've been recording you.
No, wait, they were supposed to... What are you using?
Fraps.
Oh, shit. So did you turn that on when I was, like, looking away, or, like...
It's with that FPS counter right here.
It's like a keyboard command.
It's F9.
Bullshit. Well, okay.
Say hello to YouTube.
Fucking, hey. Welcome to my number 2. Oh, yeah. It's my struggle. It's what it is. Alright, well that's great. Thank you for making this day as absolutely, God, whatever today is. Thanks, Cole. Vander sandwich. God,
Oh no.
I can't. I'm going to bed.
We should do this more often.
I don't
We
want to
should
do this.
We should totally do.
How about I stick my head in an oven, you know, put cigarettes on my ass. It'd be less painful than this horse shit right now. Okay, no, I'm done. All right, I'm going to bed. I'm
Wait,
tired.
okay, wait, one more run. We can do this.
Okay, well, it's gonna be done in like 10 seconds. Watch this shit. All right, there you are. That's it.